Hey guys, Damon Stratton here with Stratton Vantage Property Management. I'm actually in Mesa right now, parked in front of one of my own rental properties. The tenant actually just moved out and they left the place in pretty dang good shape. So I thought this would be a good opportunity. I just wanted to bring you guys along real quick and show you inside and show you a few of the simple decisions that we made a few years ago when we first bought the place that I believe not only helped us attract a great tenant that took care of the place, but also reduce the risk of potential maintenance that could have come up during that time and in the future. And I think have helped the place hold up over time and will continue to do so. Relatively affordable things, decisions that we had made. So anyway, let's go inside and I'll show you guys. I think I mentioned this in the truck. It's a 2-bed, 2-bath unit here in Mesa, and the tenant just moved out. They left it in really great shape, which is a great sign. We did come in and do a few things. We cleaned it from top to bottom. The tenant did clean it, but it's just not to our standard of clean. It's really important to us that the properties smell good. Smell makes a huge difference, so we'll put these air fresheners in every vacant house just to help with that. But one of the bigger decisions, or a couple of the bigger decisions that we had made that have made a huge difference was, the flooring. It was carpet before, and just that nasty older carpet in the rooms, and then the wet areas had tile or hard surface flooring. So we removed all the flooring and we had put down the vinyl plank flooring, and it's durable, it's relatively cheap, and it looks great, and it holds up really well. We did a two-tone paint scheme throughout, which just really kind of helps set it apart. We put in new ceiling fans and fixtures. We remodeled the bathrooms because they just needed it. They were really dated. We put in new door hardware and updated the light switches and outlets to the new decor style switches. Let's see. Oh, so the cabinets are original actually. They were in great shape, but the countertops were the old Formica counters that had, there were burn marks on them and stuff like that. They were just the original ones. And so we decided to put in granite countertops and stainless steel appliance package. One of the things that I like to do when we replace countertops is I like the installer to add this thicker drop down piece here so that it looks like it's a thicker piece of granite. It just looks classier to me. It doesn't cost much more versus just the thin sheet of granite that it looks. It just looks. I think it just looks better and helps. So this area here, the previous owner had installed a flagstone patio, and it didn't have proper drainage. They had built up the patio all the way to the threshold at the same height, and there was no rain gutter installed. And so literally water would just come down off the roof and would just puddle, and it was damaging the siding. It just didn't have proper drainage. And so we tore out the flagstone patio, and we put in these pavers with proper drainage, and then a drain there, and then we added a rain gutter and for proper drainage. These are just a few practical things that hopefully you can use on your own rental properties. There's a lot of available rental homes on the market right now, and so anything you can do to help your listing pop and stand out is definitely a plus. As you already know, with any investment property, the most important thing is maximizing your returns, and the best way to do that is to attract a qualified tenant as fast as possible that's going to take care of the property and minimize unnecessary expenses. Thanks for watching.